So back in the summer of 1997, I founded the Gadgeteer gadget review site, and the second review that I ever did in October of 97 was the Rex PC Companion. What the heck is that? Well, it was a PDA, a personal digital assistant, and it came out maybe about a year after the original Palm Pilot. Do you remember the Palm Pilot? I still have a drawer full of them. But anyway, my second ever review on the site, the Gadgeteer, was the Rex PC Companion. And I thought it would be fun if I could get my hands on one, because I didn't keep it, and show it to you now. And guess what I found on eBay? Yep, I found a shrink-wrapped box that's never been opened of the Rex PC Companion. I thought we could unbox it. I don't know how I'll be able to use it because of one reason that I will talk about in just a second. So let's go over here and take a look at it right now. Here it is. It's still in the plastic wrap. So I'm going to open it. Like I said, I bought this from eBay. All right, here we go. This is kind of exciting because I remember when this came out and I thought, oh, this is going to be the best thing ever because it's so tiny. It's even smaller than the Palm Pilot, and it could fit in my pocket easier than the Palm Pilot. Box over here, and let's do all the boring stuff first, okay? So what do we got here? Got all the paperwork, it looks like. So this is almost 30 years old. What do we have here? Do you ever remember the Bookman? I don't think I ever had that. Bunch of different Franklin products. The Franklin Rocket ebook. There's that. We've got two CR25 coin cell batteries that it's supposed to be powered by. And yeah, I bought some extras because I knew those probably wouldn't work after that many years. Registration, quick start guide. Well, here's one reason that I'm not going to be able to actually sync it with anything. First of all, the software is on a CD-ROM, and you need a Windows PC for it, which I don't have, and probably a really old version of Windows at that. Here's the user guide, accessory catalog. Boy, look at the interface there on the software that runs it. That's old time. Probably Windows 95. It probably even says in here that you have to have Windows 95. But let's just scan through that real quick. And let's get to the good stuff, okay? So what do we got here? Is that it? I think so. Again, let's go to the boring stuff first. What is this? I think I remember what this is. It's a case, and I don't think I liked it all that well. I'm smelling it because it almost smells like it's leather, but I bet it's not. What I didn't like about it is that it had these little corner pieces that kind of covered up part of the device. And then you got some little, looks like business cards, but they're just plain pieces of paper I guess you could take notes on. So let's put that aside. And let's get to the main event. Look how little this is. You guys remember PCM CIA cards? You could get like different things like modems. You remember modems? I'm talking to the old timers here, the old gadget nerds. Well, this actually fit inside a slot in your laptop. Pins would go into that slot, the PCM CIA slot, would just slide right in and it would sync. So what do we have here? We have a display, a liquid crystal display, and some membrane style buttons that will take you home and let you navigate the interface. And on the back, it just gives you info, right? Now, on this edge here is where the batteries go in. So let me see if I can figure out how to get the battery compartment open without reading the directions, because why would I want to do that? Maybe I need to do that. Let's see, it says it's just supposed to pop right open. I think I remember that I needed something to help me with that. So let me get something. All right, I've got me a little spooger. I think that's what they call it, tool. It's a little plastic tool. Let me see if I can get that to come open. Oh, that didn't work. I'm gonna end up breaking this thing before I even get it open here. All right, I think we're gonna have to resort to looking at the instructions before I break something. Don't want to break it before I even get a chance to look at it, right? All right, what does it say? Lay the card flat on a flat surface with the screen facing down. Insert the tip of an open paper clip into the small hole in one of the battery compartment doors. Press the door towards its hinge and then gently press it outward. Okay, so we got it on the thing and we're going to press it in. There we go. It helps if you read the instructions. It said no one ever. There we go. So we got them both open. So now, see, there's the doors are open and the coin cells go right into there. So let me get them. There's one. And there's the other one. Alrighty, now what direction do we put them in? Should we consult the book again? Plus is on top. Alright, so just gonna place it right in there. See? Like that. Get the other one. Like that. Oh wow, it came on. Oh, check it out. There you go, there's the interface. So what do we have here? We have a calendar, looks like a contact list, task list, memos, a clock, and then tools. Now these weren't touchscreen back in the day, right? So you had to use the arrows. As you could see, the calendar is what is selected first, and then I think you hit this little button right here and it makes little beeps, and now I'm in the calendar, right? Let's go back home. Let's go here to the next one. There's my empty contact list. Let's go back home. Let's go to the next one. My empty to-do list. And to the memos. We don't have any memos either, unfortunately. And the clock. Oh, looks like it was a world clock too. You could have 2 different times. That was nice. And then the tools lets you change how different settings are, the clock and alarms and everything like that. So I don't know what this was. Oh, there's the True Sync software, which I don't have a way to install, and I don't have any kind of device that has a PCM-CIA card slot. But back in the day, you could actually buy a dock. I'm trying to see if we could see the dock in here. There it is, a docking station. So you'd plug that into your computer, and then you could plug this into it. Now, guess what it came with? A 9-pin serial cable. Do you guys remember those? And it also had to run on AAA batteries. In the comments below, let me know who remembers serial ports on computers. Only the OGs will. Well, that was a look at the Rex PC Companion. What'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you'd like more retro content like this, please let me know that too. And as always, I hope you have a great day.